Number one rule in the desert is respecting gravity. Gravity is your friend in the desert and your worst enemy. But you need to overcome gravity to cross your first dune. So how do you do that? You have to have enough momentum and speed to cross the dune. Too much speed, too much momentum means that you will fly over the dune and damage yourself or your car. Too little speed and momentum crossing a dune means that you will not reach the top and you will have to go back down and try again. The secret is to use the right amount of power, speed and momentum to get you up onto the dune, off the throttle, using momentum and then the inertia, and then gravity will take you down slowly. Rule number 2 is respecting the verticals. Always crossing the dune with your wheels steering straight and going back down, steering straight. If you turn going down, you will be in a dangerous situation. If you try to cross the dune at an angle, you will also be in a dangerous situation. Your ideal way to cross the dune is to respect the verticals by keeping your steering straight up and straight down. Do not be afraid to get stuck at the top. That is very, very safe.